What's up, Warrior family? Welcome back to the channel. It is great to have you guys back. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like what you see today, which I'm sure you will, because I'm delivering you guys more value. And if you watch the channel, you know that's kind of my thing, or it's becoming my thing, is being the guy who delivers you economy products. And I don't see that as a bad thing. You know, guys are gonna bash you, the hype beasts are gonna bash you always for throwing economy gear, you know, namely the Shimano guys and all that high-end stuff, right? But I just want to start off by saying thank you to Piscifun for making products that are on par with some of these name brands that have been in the game for 30 plus years. There's no telling where they're going to go, and I have a feeling they're going to go very far in the industry. So join the family, guys. Join us early. We're going to be talking about a product called the Piscifun Phantom. It's a baitcast reel. It comes in this sleek green and black box, and that's the exact colors of the reel. We'll take it out in a minute, but essentially this is the twin brother reel to the Venom, which is the spinning version. So this is going to be a two-segment video. First, we're going to talk about the specs on this, give you a look at it, and then we're going to do part two, hopefully tomorrow, out on the water where we can put this thing to work. Alright guys, let's get right into it. I'm not sure what you get with other reel companies because I really don't shop anywhere else anymore, but hopefully for some of the price points these other companies are charging you, you get a little extra with your product. And I can say that for Piscifun you definitely do. You get this nice traveling carrying case, obviously for protecting your reel when you travel. It's also pretty stylish, you know what I'm saying? It's no Gucci bag, but it's close. And then we've got a sticker so you can instantly become part of the Piscifun family. Slap that on your ride and represent with us, guys. Saw that bug? Y'all saw that bug. This beautifully designed reel is made of a carbon fiber one-piece frame. So that's essentially why it is so light. That paired with the ported spool. Ported meaning drilled out to reduce weight. So those two things really contribute to how lightweight this reel is. It feels like a feather. It's going to come in at 5.7 ounces. Unbelievable. You could cast with this thing all day, not feel any fatigue at all. And that to me is a super attractive feature because I'm a power fisherman. Fishing with something in your hand all day, it better be light. With that being said, this is a high-speed reel, and at a 7-to-1 gear ratio, you're retrieving 30.3 inches of line per revolution of the spool. Plenty of speed. It's going to cover a wide range of techniques on the water, and if you like fast fishing like I do, this is going to suit you perfectly. And unless you guys are throwing major oversized swim baits, there's nothing this is not going to handle. It's 17 pounds max drag. This is going to cover your needs. Plenty of power here. As for the capacity on this reel, it's going to fit 120 yards of 10-pound monofilament and 120 yards of 30-pound braid, so it has plenty of space. It's not oversized at all, but it'll fit what you need. So also, this guy has 6 + 1 roller bearing, a total of 7 ball bearings. It's going to give you excellent casting capabilities and an excellent smooth retrieve. It's got an aircraft grade aluminum gear, aluminum main gear, and that's going to provide a lot of strength and excellent performance. As for the braking system, it's got a dual brake system, centrifugal and magnetic. Obviously you've got your magnetic brakes on the side. You guys are familiar with that if you throw bait casters. So it's got the 1 through 10 setting here. 10 is going to be obviously the most tension. 1 is going to be the least tension. But you also have another system within the reel called the centrifugal system. That breaks the spool a little bit differently. Just to give you a brief overview, magnetic brakes use magnets to cause friction to apply pressure to the spool as it revolves. And that's what breaks the reel, essentially. With centrifugal brakes, it's usually a plastic piece or some other kind of material that goes up and down as the reel revolves, and that's what breaks it with the centrifugal system. So just a little bit different brakes, but those two together give you, the optimal level of adjustment options. So let's start out with the magnetic brakes. We're going to set that to a 10 to start because you can always go looser, but getting a backlash on the first cast is a no-no. So we're going to set that as high as possible on 10. Really simple, just turn it as you desire. To get to the centrifugal system, we're going to go inside the reel. So there's a little knob here on the side, really convenient. Pop that off, take the side door off, and be very careful, don't fling that in the water. You need that. But as you can see, there is the centrifugal system numbered 1 through 6. Same thing applies here. 6 is going to be the most tension, 1 is going to be the least. And all you need to do, it's a little bit different with Piscifun. Most reels that I've come across, they have little knobs that you kind of push in or out. This works a little bit differently, so it's actually easier. You don't have to fiddle with those up and down adjusting brakes. You can just simply go by the scale, the meter there. So you pop the reel out just tad bit, just enough to access the knob on the side. You can see it protruding a little bit. Okay, so once that's out, simple as that. You adjust the centrifugal brakes just like that. We're going to set this to about a 4. not too loose. These are very powerful brakes. All centrifugal brakes are very powerful, much stronger than the magnetic brakes. So be more careful with these than you are with the magnetic. So we set it to 4, pop it back in, take our door, reapply, and we're good to go. And I'll show you the best way to test your tension here. So one of the best ways that I've found to test the tension on the reel is to basically have a 3/8 ounce or similar weight tied onto the end. I'll show you what I'm working with. So in my case, we've got this like 3/8 ounce crankbait, okay? Once the brakes are set, we're gonna just let this thing fall. The optimal setting on your brakes should be the bait hitting the water and your reel not having any excess line coming off. So it should break as the lure stops or hits the water. Casting is obviously the best way to tell as well, so we'll put in a few casts real quick. First cast with the Piscifun Phantom, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna like this a lot. Okay. As you can tell, it didn't go very far, but that's because, like I told you, we have the magnetic brakes all the way up. So we can adjust those without even messing with the centrifugal system. So let's go halfway to like 5, because I want about double the length of my cast. Let's see how it flings. Much better. That's with minimal effort casting. So if I really give it a whip, it's gonna go. So as far as the Piscifun Phantom goes, guys, that's really all you need to know. I showed you the aesthetic beauty of it, all of the components, as well as the utility features. This thing is jam-packed with features for a low price point, as are all of the products on the Piscifun product line. So join us today, guys. It's been a pleasure showing you the Phantom. See you next time.